Alright, in this video we're going to be checking ABS codes on a 2014 Infiniti Q50. I got the G-Scan hooked up here. Currently that's the only diagnostic tool we have that's capable of reading ABS codes on an Infiniti. And I'm not even 100% sure if this is going to be able to do it, but we're going to give it a try. Let's see. Right now, the customer was complaining about the light being on, but it's actually currently not on. Customer stated that the ABS and the traction light was on in this Infiniti. Infiniti. The 16-pin connector. We're going to go to ABS and hit OK. DTC analysis. Alright, looks like we got a C1105 right rear speed sensor. So we're gonna I'm gonna go into all data and identifics and pull up the diagnostic information for the C1105 right rear sensor and see what's going on there. Let's also just go into see if we can pull up the data real quick, just to see if you know, we can monitor that speed sensor on the scan tool here. Okay, and it looks like we can. So why don't we take this thing for a ride and see if that speed sensor is even registering at all, which I'm assuming it's probably going to, seeing how the ABS and the traction light on this Infiniti is off right now. So looks like we probably have an intermittent problem. Okay, so it looks like it is registering. So I'm not really seeing any issues with that there. I tell you, these newer Infinitis are pretty nice. Maybe look around the car a little bit. So you get to get a little drive along in a Q50 as well. Pretty nice vehicles. But yeah, looking at our speed sensor seems to be working perfectly fine right now. So I'm not sure we're going to find a lot of issues with this when we go to try and diagnose it. But what I'm probably going to do is, you know, I'll access the connector for the speed sensor, make sure it's all nice and clean and tight. And if that looks okay, we just might suggest to the customer to drive and just advise us, and if the light comes back on, we'll have to spend more time on it. But at this point, no sense in wasting the customer's money. Alright, and here are a few of the possible causes. ABS wheel speed sensor not installed correctly, ABS wheel speed sensor rotor or encoder damaged, ABS wheel sensor rotor loose at the axle, faulty ABS wheel sensor, ABS wheel sensor harness is open or short at the ground, ABS wheel sensor. So we're just going to go to the back of the vehicle and just do a visual inspection on the ABS reluctor wheel. See, I got my flashlight up there pointing at it. that little toner ring right there is just doing a visual inspection, make sure it's not cracked or loose or anything like that. I'll probably end up pulling the sensor out, cleaning the mounting surface, and reinstalling it and giving it back to the customer. But you know, everything's looking pretty good under here. If this video was helpful, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching Flyway Mechanic.